What keeps our digital world running smoothly while AI takes the spotlight? The answer might surprise you. SQL. Even as artificial intelligence grows smarter, SQL remains the backbone of data. From powering apps you use every day to preparing clean data for AI, SQL proves it's not outdated, it's essential. Today, let's uncover why SQL is here to stay, the foundation of data. What is SQL? Before diving into why SQL is still relevant, let's start with the basics. SQL stands for Structured Query Language, and it's the main way people interact with databases. Think of a database like a massive digital filing cabinet, and SQL is the language we use to ask questions, update information, or organize files. For example, if you run an online store, you can use SQL to find out how many customers bought sneakers last week, or which product is selling the fastest. Instead of searching manually, SQL pulls up the answer in seconds. SQL is also easy to understand compared to many programming languages. It uses words like select, from, and where to ask questions. Imagine walking into a giant library with millions of books. Without a librarian, finding a specific book would take forever. SQL is like the perfect librarian. It knows exactly where everything is stored and delivers it instantly. Created in the 1970s by IBM researchers, SQL has grown into the global standard for managing data. It's used in finance, healthcare, social media, and nearly every business that relies on organized information. While technology keeps changing, SQL remains the trusted language for handling structured data. The world runs on SQL. Every time you search for something online, order food from an app, or stream your favorite show, SQL is working behind the scenes. Big companies like Amazon, Google, Netflix, and Facebook rely heavily on SQL to manage their gigantic collections of data. When you type a product name into Amazon, a SQL query runs instantly to pull all related products, prices, and reviews. When you open Netflix, SQL helps fetch movie recommendations tailored to your viewing history. Without SQL, all this information would be messy and unusable. It's not just tech giants. Banks use SQL to track transactions safely. Hospitals rely on it for patient records, and schools use it to store student grades. Governments depend on SQL databases to keep official records organized. In fact, SQL has become so common that it's often called the oxygen of the digital world. Everything that uses structured data like apps, websites, dashboards, or CRMs relies on SQL somewhere in its system. And here's something interesting. Even no-code tools like Tableau, Power BI, and Google Data Studio secretly generate SQL queries in the background when you drag and drop charts. So even when people don't realize it, SQL is quietly powering their tools. That's how deeply SQL is embedded in our digital lives. Why SQL matters in the age of AI. Artificial intelligence may look futuristic, but even AI needs SQL to survive. Artificial intelligence systems learn from large amounts of data. But here's the catch. If the data is messy or unorganized, AI cannot learn correctly. That's where SQL comes in. It prepares, organizes, and cleans the data before feeding it to AI models. For example, in machine learning projects, data engineers use SQL to do ETL, extract, transform, load. They pull data from different sources, clean it by removing errors, and load it into AI models. Imagine baking a cake. AI is the oven, but SQL is the one making sure the ingredients are fresh, measured, and ready. Without SQL, the cake would be ruined. AI is strong with unstructured data like images or text, but when it comes to structured business data like sales figures, customer lists, or inventory records, SQL is unmatched. It follows strict rules known as ACID, which stands for atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability, ensuring every transaction is safe and reliable. So, while AI is flashy and powerful, it cannot replace SQL. Instead, AI and SQL work hand in hand. AI analyzes, but SQL ensures the data it analyzes is correct. This teamwork is why SQL will always have a place, even in an AI-driven world. SQL is fast, reliable, and adaptable. One of SQL's greatest strengths is speed and efficiency. Imagine trying to search through billions of rows of data by hand. It would be impossible. SQL uses clever tricks like indexes, which work like bookmarks to find information without scanning every single record. This makes SQL extremely fast, even with gigantic datasets. Modern tools like Spark SQL and Hive can handle petabytes of data, which is millions of gigabytes using the same SQL language people have known for decades. Another big reason for SQL's staying power is its reliability. In business, mistakes can cost millions. SQL ensures accuracy by following strong safety rules. If a payment is interrupted halfway, SQL prevents it from being processed incorrectly. That kind of trust makes SQL essential in industries like banking and healthcare. What's more, SQL keeps adapting. It's not frozen in time. Many modern databases now support new types of data, like JSON and even AI-powered vector searches. SQL evolves alongside technology, which means people don't have to abandon it whenever a new trend appears. So whether you're analyzing small spreadsheets or handling the largest data warehouses in the world, SQL delivers consistent performance. It's dependable, fast, and flexible, the kind of qualities that make it impossible to replace. Human creativity plus SQL equals unstoppable. Some people believe AI will eventually write all the SQL queries for us. While AI can generate simple queries, it lacks human judgment. Business problems often require context, creativity, and critical thinking that machines don't have. For instance, let's say a company wants to find its most loyal customers. An AI tool might write a simple query based on purchase counts. But a skilled human analyst can go deeper, factoring in customer lifetime value, purchase frequency, and seasonal patterns. This richer understanding leads to smarter business insights. SQL developers are not just query writers, they're problem solvers. They find innovative ways to join tables, aggregate results, and discover patterns. They explain results clearly to managers or teams who don't understand technical jargon. AI can generate numbers, but it can't tell a compelling story about what those numbers mean. Also, humans ensure ethics and privacy. Handling sensitive data requires responsibility. A human can follow laws, ensure compliance, and respect privacy rules. AI, left unchecked, might expose private data without realizing the consequences. This blend of human intelligence and SQL's power makes the combination unbeatable. Machines are fast, but people bring meaning, creativity, and ethical thinking. Together, they make sure data is not just accurate, but also useful for real-world decision-making. SQL and AI as partners, not rivals. Instead of competing, SQL and AI are teaming up in exciting ways. Modern tools now let you train AI models directly inside SQL databases. For example, Google's BigQuery allows you to create and train machine learning models using just SQL commands like create model. That means analysts can build predictions without needing separate software. Microsoft SQL Server is also blending AI features, like smarter query planning and predictive analytics. This speeds up results and makes databases more intelligent. Even in NoSQL systems, which were built for unstructured data, SQL is sneaking back in. Tools like Apache Drill let users query different types of data with SQL syntax. Modern relational databases also support advanced features like vector searches, which are useful for AI-driven recommendation systems. The message is clear. Instead of replacing SQL, AI is making it more powerful. SQL adapts to new technologies, while AI depends on SQL for clean, structured data. They're evolving together, and that partnership will only get stronger in the future. This proves SQL isn't an outdated tool. It's an evolving language that grows with the times. It's not a relic of the past, but a critical partner for the AI age. SQL is here to stay, and if you want to get ahead with it, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss upcoming videos. And if you're ready to dive deeper, check out the SQL tutorials right here on the channel. They'll take you from beginner to confident in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.